Gona's Reading Ranch. Join us weekly for reading adventures around the farm.
And don't forget, go to our website and subscribe to our channel.
See you soon. Hi friends, welcome to Gona's Reading Ranch. Today we are back on the construction site and we are going to read Construction Site by Jill McDonald. I'm so excited to see what's on the construction site. Let's read it. Construction Site by Jill McDonald. Clank, vroom, boom. What's that noise? We're at the construction site. Put on your hard hat and let's go see. Construction workers wear hard hats to protect their heads. Push! A bulldozer clears the land, moving rocks and rubble out of the way. Tracks around the wheels help it crawl on uneven ground. The big metal plate in the front is called a blade. The dump truck hauls rubble away to the dumping site. The box at the back tilts to pour out all the things inside. Tip! The largest dump truck in the world is so big you need stairs to get into it. Everything is cleared and it's time for the excavator to do its work. Scoop! It has a long arm with a bucket on the end, which makes big holes in the ground. An excavator is also called a digger. Munch, munch. It's time for lunch. The food truck has rolled up to the site and everyone is so hungry. What will you order? A food truck is a restaurant on wheels. Roll, roll. The heavy drum on the steamroller slowly revolves, flattening everything below. Steamrollers make the ground firm and strong. Spin! What's in the back of this mixer? It's concrete. The large drum goes around and round to keep the concrete wet until it's ready to be poured out. Once the concrete is poured, it will take a few hours to harden. Honk! The delivery truck arrives, stacked high with things the builders will need. How many wheels can you count? Should we count them together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Big trucks often need lots of wheels to support all the weight they carry. Clank! A crane is used to lift heavy things and move them to the right spot. It has a long arm called a boom. Beep, beep! This little forklift can lift and move big boxes. It's called a forklift because of the steel forks that slide under heavy objects. Vroom! Dirt flies as the trencher digs pits for pipes and cables that will go underground. The trencher has sharp teeth that work together to break up hard ground. Woo! Woo! The whistle blows and the day is done. But the construction workers and their big machines will be back in the morning. The end. So friends, which big machine was your favorite? I don't know, there were a lot of machines to pick from. Well, I hope you enjoyed reading today, The Construction Site. See you soon. Bye-bye.